4 to go. Man, I love these one and dones. It means we got new stuff. So, man, if we can get a common Trapjaw should be easy to get because it's common. But we need that to finish out our 1983 series. So what do we got? 1, 2, 3, or 4?
1.
1 again. Always 1?
Yeah.
Do I even have to ask? Just click 1?
Yeah, just click 1.
Common Trapjaw would be great. Legendary, I think Epic Trapjaw with the orange. That would be great too. I really like that one. Peppermint Orco would be cool.
Oh. From the clay Orco.
Grandma Tila. We have Grandma Tila, don't we? We do. Look at her. That old lady with her white hair. I love that she's been nicknamed Grandma Tila. All right. 1, yeah?
Yeah.
Just confirming. Okay. You've got the touch. I don't want to mess anything up for Mr. Magic Touch.
1.
Try. Oh. I didn't finish it. You do it. There we go. I let go before the circle finished. Good stuff. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Orco! We have 95 of these guys. I'm just kidding, but we do have a bunch. Let's see how he's black. His face is black. Alright, hey, pretty good cereal, though. Can't complain about that. Can't complain about that. 2 more. Bingo. Box. And bing, 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 bing. Come on. Let's go. What are you feeling? Come on, pick. What do you think?
Oh, wait.
We tried so hard to get a common beast, man, and we couldn't. Now we got 2 pretty much back to back. I can't believe it.
Let's open it. Wait, we have never seen a beastman get open.
Maybe, but we still have.
Well, yeah, either way, we don't remember it. So
Maybe we have. I don't know. But this is the last one. Okay.
Yesterday or a couple days ago was really good.
Yeah.
That beastman.
All right. Oh, I hit it. Sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Come on. Ooh, uncommon Tila. I don't think we have that one. We don't. Cool. All right. Well, that's cool because that means... Oh, uncommon battle cat. That's interesting. That's an important one for us to get because uncommon battle cat is the regular battle cat because common is Cringer. So the regular battle cat is the uncommon. So he's technically like a 1983.
He is.
So we do need to try to go back and get that also. Now, real quick, is Nikki right? Do we not have... He's right. All right. So before we let you guys go, since we didn't get to play anything new, let's go ahead real quick. Go into Masters of the Universe. Let's find... Oh, this is loading funny. What happened there? Okay, there we go. 2 Beastmen. No. Where's the common Beastman? Look at all those Orcos. Ah, there we go. 3974. Let's open this guy. Ready? To see the Beastman come to life?
3, 2, 1.
Oh, he growls at you. He's got his whip. No, we're not going to play in the block right now. So, but that looks great. He's got his whip. He looks terrific. Look at him. He growls at you. Awesome. Cool. All right, guys.
I like him.